How to block or remove someone on Life 360. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can block or remove someone on Life 360 app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, have the latest version of Life 360. After you've updated or installed Life 360 and logged into it, you can open that up. After you've opened that up, what you'll need to do is you'll first need to simply check your people. Now, whomever you want to remove, they will be in your circle. So for you to remove or block them, you'll first have to edit your circle. To do that, tap on the gear icon that is on the top left, and there you'll see family settings. Under there, you'll find circle management. Tap on it, and right there you'll find an option that says edit circle name, your role, change admin status, and stuff like that. So from there, if you're the admin, you will be able to remove the people or someone on your Life 360. So make sure that you're the admin, and now you can remove people from your circle. So that is how you can block or remove someone on Life 360 app, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.